Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First of all, find your Google application on this device and go into. Then, in the top right corner, you got your Google account icon, so click it and choose Settings. Then go into Google Assistant option, and here need to scroll down and find General option. And click here to activate your Google Assistant. Click Turn on Google Assistant. Click one more time Turn on, and that's it. Now we activate our Google Assistant. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.